Hello everyone, it's Jaclyn from Longarming by Jaclyn, and for this What You Sewin' Wednesday, we are loading and steaming some whole cloths on the long arm, and it reminded me of a repair job that I have done recently. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. So if you have an old, well-loved, well-used quilt top that is starting to shred into rags, stop. Do not throw it away. Do not abandon all hope. Bring that specimen to your local longarmer or mail it to a longarmer who can help you by mail. And you can get what I'm affectionately calling a Quilty BBL. What is a BBL? It is a Brazilian butt lift. And you can get a Brazilian butt lift for your favorite older quilts. I did one for my husband. It was in absolute tatters and shreds. You could see all the way through in places, and he said, forget it, this quilt is hopeless, throw it away. And I said, let's see about that. So in real life, a BBL is when they suck the fat out of your waist and inject it into your butt and give you a new butt. But you can give a new butt to your quilt on a long arm. So you put a backing on there, you float your vintage or destroyed or threadbare quilt on top. You can patch in batting where you need to, and you're basically darning the old quilt to a new back. It's pretty quick, it's pretty inexpensive. I do it for the same price as quilting a top, and you would be surprised that refreshing an old quilt top with a new backing and new binding will bring it back to life again and make it really beautiful. You'll get decades more use out of it. It is a visible repair. If you catch those early and you are at your sit down regular domestic sewing machine and you zigzag down where the seams are popping open, it's kind of similar to that. You're going to see where you're darning down with heavy quilting in areas where the quilt is really opened up. You might have to put a little bit of patch fabric if there's large areas of fabric where the flaps of piecing can't be put down, but it's a great way to extend the life of some of your favorite quilts. So contact your quilter or mail to your quilter your old vintage tops and request the BBL treatment. Now, I made that term up, so putting a new backing on it is probably what they'll know, but that is a great way to give a refresh to an older quilt. The Quilty BBL. So get in touch with us. We are Longarming by Jaclyn on Facebook. We are massey.jc on Instagram. We've got our fledgling little Maine quilt shop. I'll put a link in the description below. If you're on a phone, you click more. The description opens up. All the links are down there. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, have you had an older quilt repaired before? Have you seen the Quilty BBL by any other name in the wild? And let me know how that went for you. All right, that's it for What You Sewin' Wednesday. We're trying to keep it short so we can get back to steaming that whole cloth and get going. Have a great day. Bye.